hot today.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
I am hungry now.
I feel good today. I feel good today. I feel good today. I feel good today. I feel good today.
See you later. 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 I walk in the morning.
Yes, that's right.
I walk in the morning.
Very good.
I walk in the morning. I hug my grandmother with love.
That's lovely, dear.
I hug my grandmother with love.
I love your hugs.
I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel tired. Doctor, I feel sick.
Oh, what's wrong?
My stomach hurts and I feel dizzy.
I see. Let me check.
Okay, doctor.
You'll be okay.
Doctor, I have a fever.
Oh dear, let me check.
My head hurts too.
Don't worry, it's not too high.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Doctor is writing medicine for me.
Yes, I am.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
I like pizza shop. I like pizza shop. Yummy pizza. Pizza is very tasty. I like it. Pizza is very tasty. I like it. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I ride bike. I ride bike. I ride bike.
I browse phone. I browse phone. I browse phone. Let's go outside.
Okay, Grandma.
Let's go!
I open the car door.
I open the car door.
I open the car door.
I open the car door. I open the car door. I wear a hat. I wear a hat. I wear a hat.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.